Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes Tuesday. So today's video is going to be a Photoshop tips and tricks video in which we are going to see how we can add light spread to any street bulb or any street light. So without wasting any time, let's hit the timer. Okay, so as you can see over here, I have an image in which I'm getting a good amount of street light. So normally what we used to do, we used to take brush tool and we are going to paint over here and we are going to work with blending modes and all. But no, we don't need to do that. I'm going to show you a very easiest way to do that. So just take a new layer. And I'm going to take a marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, and just draw a shape from where you want your light spread. So after doing that, the main trick is just blend your blank layer in overlay mode. And after that, I'm going to take my gradient tool and just keep it in mind. You need to take that gradient in which we have white at start and transparent at the end. Hit OK. And I'm going to click and hold down Shift and drag and boom. Just see. We have a good amount of light spread. Hit Ctrl D, but as you can see, we are not having a good shape. So for that, what I can do, I can hit Ctrl T on keyboard, right click and perspective. And according to our requirement, I'm going to place it something like that. But still we are not having a good light spread because we are having a very sharp edges. To fix that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to filter, blur and Gaussian blur, and according to our requirement, as per our requirement, I can blur it. Now we are having a good amount of light spread. If you want more broader light, then hit Ctrl T and probably I can scale it a little and I can place it, and again I can hit right click, perspective, and I can match it, something like that. If you want more spread, experiment with your requirement. Now hit enter. So if you want to duplicate your light spreads here, just Ctrl J and just click and drag and put it over here, or else what you can do, hold on Alt and just click and drag. If you want to spread your light spread towards end, so you can do something like that. And as we are not having good amount of shape. So what else we can do? We can hit Ctrl T and might be right click and perspective, and I can position it something like that. If you want more spread, just play around the handles and Alt and Control drag, and probably I can nudge between my positions and all, something like that. And this is the way how we can add your light spread till end. And boom, now this is the way how we can add multiple layers of light spread and we can make our image more attractive. So I hope you learned something new in today's video, and if you learn something new, don't forget to like this video and share this video. And also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. With this said, this is VFX5 signing off. Have a good day.